Hello guys, welcome to the lecture. In this lecture we are going to learn the layout of the header section of the Facebook page. First of all, we have created the header wrapper, and then we are going to create a div, and then we will say this div is header, and inside this div we will create another div, and then we will name a class and we will say that will be navigation, and then we will create three divs, and we will name left div, center div and right div. To explain this, we need to go to the Facebook website. So here is the header section. In the header section we have navigation, and in the navigation you can see Facebook has three navigation menus. On the left side you can see a logo and a search input, and on the center you can see the navigation for home and friends and groups, and on the right side you will see the friends and other menus like notification and settings in accounts, all the stuff. The concept here that how we are going to create the structure for this, we will going to create three div like we did here. We will say inside the nav div we will create left div and the center div and the right div, and the left div we will add the logo and the user input, and in the center div we will create these center navigation menus, and on the right div we will create this right element inside the right div. So this is how we are going to create. So I hope you understand it. See you in the next lecture.